Elizabeth with Country Peony, and today I've partnered with Clover to bring you the cutest tassels using their tassel maker. So Clover's tassel makers come in two sizes, the small and the large, and for today's purposes we're going to be using the small tassel maker. But you can use the large tassel maker to make the cutest and most whimsical tassels using ric-rac or larger velvet ribbons. So if you're at all interested in following a step-by-step tutorial to make your own tassels, then come along. So much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to bust out your crafting supplies and make your own tassels. Please feel free to email me elizabeth@countrypeony.com or check out my blog countrypeony.com for more DIYs and tutorials. Until next time, happy crafting.